Today's best music. 91.3.
91.3, today's best music. The Married Man, Rod, Hutch and Jill. And every Thursday, we get this going on thanks to Must Saver. With OCBC cards, OCBC brings you a host of privileges with its Must Saver dining program. Log on to www.ocbc.com/must for more details. And you know what? We got two chefs in the studio again. From Park Royal on Beach Road, Executive Chef Jackson Goh. How you doing, Chef Jackson?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah.
And from Park Royal on Kitchener Road, Chef Ridwan.
Of course, I'm good.
Awesome, awesome. And you guys have brought something in from Beach Road, durian cheesecake.
Yes.
How did you discover durian cheesecake?
I myself love durian anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And cheesecake is my favorite dessert.
Right.
That's why I combine these. And even in my brasserie, cafe, we do durian cheesecake.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, it's very popular.
I'm going to do a taste test for you, bro.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here we go.
Right.
Okay. The durian is in his mouth.
It tastes like cheesecake.
There's no durian.
No. It's strong durian. Is it D24? The kind of durian you get?
Yes, it's durian puree.
Oh.
Yes, totally durian puree. No other ingredients added.
It's really nice. It hits your mouth. You got to try it, bro.
Okay, and from Park Royal on Kitchener Road, we got something called Durian Infusion.
Yeah, that's right.
Chef Ridwan, what is this Durian Infusion?
It's a combination of three elements actually.
Okay. Rice, I see some rice here.
The rice, you see the fish and some veggie underneath.
Okay, so where's the durian?
The sauce goes with three of the element.
What is this thing on top that looks like a bird's nest?
Actually, it's
No, really, look.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's right.
It does look like a bird's nest.
Actually, it's lemongrass and galangal.
Mixing it with the rice.
Okay.
Be brave, my bro. Be brave.
Durian, what is this called? Durian again?
Durian gravy.
Durian gravy. Okay.
3,
Good.
2, 1, go.
Let's go.
Oh,
How's it?
the fish is fantastic. The rice is good.
How's the
The
sauce?
durian just comes out. But you're right, it's covered up.
Yeah.
But you can taste the durian shooting out. So durian lovers will totally love this dish.
Right.
Today's best music. 91.3.